Today I'm trying to enter this laziest side hustle. Some gurus on YouTube claim that you can make $500+ a week while barely doing anything. Just chill and cash out. It just sounds too good to be true, but that's what I'm here for. Over the next 24 hours, I will find out for you guys which of these lazy side hustles actually work and which ones don't pay at all. And our first actual side hustle will be Swagbucks. And this is actually my dream come true. I will low-key get paid to play video games. How amazing is that? You will get paid for each level you succeed on a video game. All we have to do is download the phone game, play it, and finish tasks. For each task we get more money, and I can't lie, I'm so ready for this. Let's go to the couch and test this out. And when it comes to Swagbucks, we can already start earning some. All we have to do is fill out the survey, and then we can already go into the game testing. Let's see how many Swagbucks we can make just by doing this survey. I finished the survey, which has made us a total of 5 Swagbucks, which I think equals to about a few cents. Okay guys, let's just look deeper into it. And 550 Swagbucks equal $5. I feel like I'm gonna waste my time here. I'm gonna go ahead and download Monopoly Go, and I guess my task for today is gonna be playing mobile games. This is literally me sitting on the couch playing a random mobile game, all while making money by doing so. In that moment, it felt like life couldn't get any better. Alright guys, about an hour and a half has passed by now, and I have to say it felt like a total waste of time. I was basically just rolling the dice over and over, moving ahead and building imaginary cities, but what this has achieved us is actually extraordinary. After playing Monopoly Go for an hour and a half, it has paid us out a total of 3 Swagbucks. Yeah, 3. Let's just say this side hustle did not go as planned. I give Swagbucks a rating of 1 out of 5 stars. And the next lazy side hustle I will be trying is Whop. And to be specific, it's Whop clipping. All you gotta do is choose a creator who has a listing and edit video clips and upload them. I already did it twice on this channel, and ironically both videos are my biggest videos on this channel, so just had to make a comeback. The first time I did it, I got absolutely scammed. But on the second time, I made a life-changing $16. I would have made more money if I went to work for minimum wage. But as people say, third time's the charm, so let's go back to my desk and give Whop another chance. And let me just tell you guys one thing. The campaign I settled on is somebody that we already know pretty well. As you see, we settled for Arts Gem. They just started their own campaign on Whop, and funnily enough, I cooperated with them for my last video. You guys can also check that one out in case you haven't watched it yet. You can also save 35% on their website with my link. So yeah, let me show you how Whop works. You see, we on the campaign right here. You can just click content rewards, click the active campaign, and right there you can see the folders that you can download, where you have all the video clips you need to create viral clips and hopefully make some money off of them. It would be kind of ironic if I get scammed now, but I really don't think so. While watching this recording, editing on DaVinci looks so easy, while in reality I had a whole mental breakdown. I've been editing a shorts of 15 seconds for 2 hours while watching videos of this guy on how to add auto captions on DaVinci over and over again, trying to figure out how to make a vertical video, all for the outcome of being bullied by DaVinci into buying a $30 a month CapCut subscription. It's crazy what my life has turned into. We have uploaded our first video. There's 2 more to go, but for now I really need a break. I'm gonna go on a walk or something, because the last 2 hours really drove me crazy. I hope it was at least worth it. And let's just say it's the next day. DaVinci Loki took me out yesterday, so it would be really tight for this to actually be 24 hours, but I will make it happen. We got 2 more Whop videos to do, so my plan now is to show you guys how I do them. Let's jump to CapCut. Okay guys, as you see, this is the raw footage that I chose, and first things first is cutting the video up into segments. Now that that is done, the next step is to add some zoom effects. As you can see, CapCut has a slow zoom, which I usually use, but if I need something at a different specific pace, I also set some keyframes. And also, if you ask yourself how I got this into the 16:9, you can just press here, and if you have the Pro version, you can even use auto reframe, and if not, you have to do it manually, but that's why Pro is great. Now that the zoom effects are added, it's time for me to add some sound effects. I usually don't do anything big on shorts. I usually just put a sound effect in the beginning to catch the attention, with a little overlay, then a music soundtrack, where I switch out the volume here and there, so it's not just in a straight line, and some extra sound effects where they just fit. The last step before we export the video is to add captions. Luckily also here with the Pro version, you have auto captions. That's what I always use, and they're usually pretty accurate, so let's do them real quick. Now that these are done, we can choose a template. I usually like the one here with the green underline, but yeah, yesterday I switched it up a bit, but I didn't really like it watching it back, so I'm going back to my green underline. Now as you can see, the video is basically done. It's looking pretty decent. It's just a short, we cannot forget, and now it's time to export and post. I will make another video, schedule it for later, and then I will see you guys again. Alright guys, I can officially give the here we go for the last video. I uploaded both videos, more like I uploaded one and scheduled one for later today, which means we can tick off Whop off the list. The results of it we will see later in the video. As you all know, we need to wait for the videos to hit the algorithm to see what happens. But yeah, it's time for the next lazy side hustle. Next up, we got online surveys. And to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, I can use Swagbucks again. They luckily also have a feature for surveys, so let's hope that actually pays better than the pay to play section. There's just one negative about the surveys. I heard there's a lot of requirements. It could happen that we fill out a whole survey, and in the end they just say you're not eligible, and we just wasted our complete time. Let's go and pick out the first survey. As you can see, there's a survey currently that should pay us 32 Swagbucks for 8-minute task. And that's the first one we're gonna give a shot now. The first question is pretty easy to answer, I have to say. And I see the questions just went to Dutch. So good luck to me understanding this, or you guys. So I don't know, I just press the first thing, whatever. And we will be redirected in 3 seconds. Let's see what happens. And it just switched to a white screen. I guess that means we're probably not eligible for the survey. So let's find another one. Let's just go with the quick 2-minute one right here. This I definitely understand. I definitely speak English. Oh, and they asked for my postcode. And this is gonna be a tough one with everything being in Dutch. I will try my best to somehow make something happen, but I cannot guarantee for anything. And as you can see on the screen right here, we were not eligible for this survey either, but I did another survey afterwards, which has actually granted us 11 Swagbucks. It's at least a start, I have to say. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of them off camera. I don't want to bore you guys any longer with this. So yeah, I'll see you when I finish this. Okay guys, about 2 hours have passed at this point, and a lot of surveys have been started. Only a few have been finished, and it's time to reveal how much money we actually made. We've made about 64 Swagbucks, which equals to about 50 cents. I'm definitely boycotting Swagbucks. The time waste in the last 2 days have been ridiculous. I give this surveys a rating of 1.5 stars. The only thing that can save us now is Whop. I have to wait until tomorrow to see if the videos hit the algorithm, and if they did, I will show you guys the results, and hopefully it saves this experiment. Alright guys, finally time to find out, to see if my dream of being rich and lazy still lives on, or if I actually have to put the work in. Please don't crush my dream. Let's go to the YouTube analytics. And oh my god, I don't think it can start off much worse. The first short only got 64 clicks. For whatever reason, I have to check the analytics. Give me a second. Never mind, I see why. Only 9.5% of people stayed till the end. There's no way this video gets views. Let's jump to the next one because this one was a total failure. And also the next one got stuck at 95 views. I'm starting to have a really bad feeling about this, but we have one more video to save us. And as we can see again, only 14.2% of people stayed till the end. I think the topic is just not that interesting to people. As a quick reminder, we need to hit 5k views to be eligible for payout. So the last video needs to be a banger. And I can spoil you guys a little bit. This video is way better than the other ones. But now the important question, did it hit the 5k views? The answer is no. We only hit 1.3k views on this video, and it looks like my dream is crushed.